There's a key part of integrated design which, we must engage, and that is the idea that the design must come to the team blurry. And together we take that blurred image and we focus. And that is the key to integrated design. And the reason that is because of things that will emerge. You cannot predict without that process of blurred to focused as a group about what will emerge. If you have if one person has it fully formed in their head and they just have that, then you miss that opportunity. You miss that opportunity to capture something which is emergent. And I relate this to the development of humans. So we started as single-celled organisms and we evolved through a process to get to where we are today. And we're just a bunch of cells put together. And what you could never have predicted with humans is the idea that from a pile of cells put together and a living organism, no one ever could have predicted that a result of that would be consciousness. That is emergent. It's something that's way beyond the collection of parts. And that's what we look for in integrated design. We look for the same emergent things. When that moment happens, it's easy to miss. It is easy to miss. You've got to be aware about what's going on. One of the people in the group might just make a flippant remark, and that flippant remark will turn into the magic that is the design. So often I go into meetings and I have an idea about what might come out, and it's only through talking to people and being open to it that you realize, well, just a second, I don't have to go down that path. That's a great idea. Builders, I find, but I actually find not just builders, but I actually find that it takes a diverse group of people, and I think we're in the perfect situation where we've got a diverse group of people in a group. We've got architects who are highly skilled in a very particular domain. We've got structural engineers who are highly skilled in a very practical and structural domain about understanding of the laws of the laws of physics for what. And then you have a builder who has a very practical building point of view. How are we going to build this? And then we have a client who has a desire to build. I think when those four people are in a room and that diversity is allowed to flourish and everyone is open, then that's when these emergent things happen. And I challenge people to be conscious of that. Be conscious of when it occurs and capturing it, because it's not normal, right? And it's only through that diversity of the team and only through the trusting relationship of the team that we can actually capture it.